Did you know that first impressions are formed within mere seconds? It's astonishing how quickly our minds make judgments based on initial observations. Cleanliness plays a pivotal role in shaping these perceptions.
A cluttered environment can lead to negative assumptions about your business's quality. Imagine walking into a messy office. It instantly raises doubts about professionalism and attention to detail.
Reception areas, restrooms, and windows are critical for first impressions. Each business type has unique areas that require attention, making it essential to identify these key spots. Developing a customized cleaning plan is crucial for maintaining these areas. Tailoring your approach ensures that every corner reflects the quality and care your business stands for. Professional cleaning services can guide businesses in identifying critical areas. Their expertise helps create and implement effective cleaning plans tailored to your specific needs. Regular quality inspections by cleaning companies ensure that cleaning standards are maintained. This ongoing vigilance guarantees that your business always makes a positive first impression. A clean environment can significantly improve conversion rates and client retention. It strengthens your brand image and enhances customer relationships, setting you apart from competitors.
By prioritizing cleanliness, businesses gain a competitive advantage. Take action today by partnering with Brilliant Office Cleaning to ensure your business always shines.